Assalamu alaikum, dear students of class 9th. We are studying chemistry. It's chapter atoms and molecules. Today we shall study it's another very simple but interesting topic, that is ionic compounds. Ions, cations, anions, monoatomic, diatomic ions, polyatomic ions, compound ions, or polyatomic ions. As per ionic compounds. The compounds which are made up of ions are known as ionic compounds. Yel ion panvi, anion cation, panvi interaction karan, panvi closely interaction karan, use that compound banas touch one ionic compound. In an ionic compound, the positively charged ions, yani cations, positively charged ions are cations. You guys pada yim electron lose as kormut, and negatively charged ions, n ions yim electron gain as kormut, are held together by strong electrostatic force of attraction. Yelte kunjai charges involve this positive cationic charge and a negative charge. At gets electrostatic force positive can pawn a weak force so pawn attraction. Yet is electrostatic force of attraction one ions. At gets develop a force that is called electrostatic force due to opposite charges. Electrostatic force, the forces which hold the ions together in an ionic compound are known as ionic bonds or electrovalent bond. Yumai positive, Na positive, Cl negative positive. Yum panvi close panvi this bond asachi. This is between this electrostatic force of attraction. Yani you shall bond at electrostatic force so panvi close asa. At is one type of bonds ionic bond or electrovalent bond. It is due to the bond is due to the interaction between charges. Since the ionic compounds consists of equal number of positive ions and negative ions, much equal number of positive ions the negative ions, so overall charge on ionic compound is zero. Overall charge agar so positive so negative, overall charge is 0. For example, sodium chloride is an ionic compound. It is an ionic compound which is made up of a equal number of positively charged sodium ions. That means sodium ions are equally number of positive charges and negative charges chloride ions Cl negative. Go ionic compounds, ionic bonds. Go bond equals bond is between them. It's the electrostatic interaction between positive and negative charges ions in an ionic compound. Some common ionic compounds use as daily life में इस्तेमाल करा so sodium chloride यानी नून NaCl. Ions क्या शायद मुझे इस पर ही demonstrate कर Na positive Cl negative. Potassium chloride KCl it's salt K positive Cl negative. Ammonium chloride NH4Cl NH positive Cl negative. Calcium chloride CaCl2 calcium dipositive Cl2 positive यानी अथ में Cl यथ में अगर zip electron छ यथ में आसन electron lose या electron gain करा तब Cl2. Calcium oxide CO2 Ca double positive O double negative बराबर गस charges गसन neutralize गसन. Sodium hydroxide NaOH आम base उस laboratory में इस्तेमाल गसा छ Na positive OH negative. Gun these are thumb formula of ionic compounds be kus ion asan छ. All the above ionic compounds are made up of metal and non-metal except NH4Cl which is an ionic compound. Which even much metal to non-metal. This is non-metal, this is metal. Metal, non-metal. Go num sorry except this NH4Cl. Baki is combination of metal and non-metal. Which is an ionic compound. So whenever we see a compound made up of metal, which has compound, it is metal to non-metal. Yani combination of metal and non-metal. That's where we should understand it is an ionic compound. Combination of metal and non-metal in a compound. It signifies, it denotes that yes, at pane taraf fikri ye gets also an ionic compound. Use compound you'll break is called ion must break gasa. The ionic bond it is electrostatic force between ions must develop gasa. You hold the electrovalent bond. Thank you. Hope you have understood it.